Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to make your Wii Emulator games feel even better? Using a PlayStation 4 controller offers an incredibly comfortable and precise way to play. Forget the old remotes. You can enjoy all your favorite Wii titles with modern, familiar controls. This updated guide for 2025 shows you exactly how to get it working seamlessly, giving your retro gaming a significant upgrade on your PC. First, you'll need two key pieces of software to get started. Download the Dolphin emulator, which is the gold standard for playing Wii and GameCube games on your computer. Next, grab DS4 Windows. This crucial tool tricks your PC into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 pad. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully updated beforehand for the smoothest installation process. Now, let's get your controller connected. Plug in your PlayStation 4 controller using a USB cable or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, open DS4 Windows. It usually guides you through a quick, one-time setup process. Confirm that DS4 Windows registers your controller, ideally showing it as an Xbox 360 controller. This essential step ensures your PC can properly interpret all controller inputs. With DS4 Windows running, open your Dolphin emulator. Head to the Controllers tab at the top. Under Wii Remote 1, set it to Standard Controller and then click Configure. Here, you'll see a virtual Wii Remote. Simply click each button on screen and then press the corresponding button on your PlayStation 4 controller. Take your time mapping everything carefully, including the analog sticks for movement. Once all your buttons are mapped, remember to save your Dolphin controller profile so you don't lose your settings. Launch a game and test everything thoroughly to confirm smooth, responsive control. A quick tip: always keep DS4 Windows running in the background while you play, and only close it after you've exited Dolphin. Enjoy rediscovering your favorite Wii classics with a modern, comfortable feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.